guys. So I have SG F22 Pinecone. So F22 model. So capable of vertical flying. So of course may 3D and 6G. So I love the paint job. So maliit lang siya, 280 mm wingspan or width. So 1S battery. I guess it's 800 milliamperes. So kagandahan, may ano siya, may vertical landing, and may takeoff din siya, vertical takeoff or vertical capabilities. So I think 4 channel or 3 channel, kind of 4 channel, because this one act serve as a aileron and elevator, and you have the throttle. So I guess 3 channel lang siya. Okay, 3 channel. So I will test this SG F22 Pinecone. So a new RC plane to test. So kakarating lang. So yung remote is has 3 positions: vertical mode, 6G mode, and 3D mode. Okay, all the way towards the pilot is the 3D mode. Middle is 6G stabilized flight, and all the way down is the 3D mode, or you can do some maneuvers and some stunts. And good thing, ang kagandahan, meron siyang 6G roll dito. Parang kung sa mga, if you are familiar with the Volantex product, meron silang 6G roll. So meron sila as 6G stunt button, meron din ito. So nice, very affordable and cheap. It's not that expensive, especially pag nasaktuhan mo yung sale sa online. But anyway, without further ado, I wanna try to I will test na this SG F22 Pinecone. So very nice RC plane at the price. So remote controller turned on, then may on and off switch siya, of course, as lagi ko na mention sa previous test ko. So maganda, may light siya. So I think dito tayo sa patag, sa flat surface. And then okay, so turned on na siya, it's blinking, lights are blinking. So all we have to do is to bind the remote to the aircraft by pushing the throttle stick up and down, up, down. Okay, yun, we're bound, and then the lights are blinking. Yes, yeah. Okay, let's try the ground takeoff. Let's find out. Wala siyang wala siyang dual rate high rate and low rate. So meron lang siya 3D. So naka siya constant, wala siyang 3D or meron siyang 3D and 6G, but wala siyang high rate and low rate pagdating sa flight. Okay, let's go. Let's trim a little. Hindi pantay. Okay, that's it. Let's go. Kung magandang i-ground take off to. Wow, nice. Nice, oh. Oh, very nice. Ganda ng ilaw, di namamatay yung ilaw. There's no way you can turn on and off the light. And kung may nakakalam, please comment. Wow, nice. Mas nagugustuhan ko ngayon yung mga jet fighter kasi medyo mabibilis yung lipad nila Mas challenge na paliparin. There's a bit of challenge. Teka, nagre-record ba ako? Let's see. Tingnan ko lang kung nagre-record yung ano ko. Wala, lumalayo. Ayun, nagre-record. Ganda rin. Teka, mag-aano ako. Magpapas ako. You know? Yeah. Full ano nito, full throttle na 'to eh. Ganun lang yung pinaka speed niya eh. So hindi siya ganun ka hindi siya ganun kabilis. But in fairness, it's already fast. Unlike sa mga high wing. And ano 'to eh, brush motor, so we don't expect more faster than this one. It's nice. Let's try the 6G roll. Oh, hindi gumagana. 6G stunt. Wala na. Ayun. Ayun, backflip. Ba tawag dun? Roll, hindi. Loop. Oh. Roll, yun ang roll ya. Galing ha. Loop. Roll.